Hi friends, let's see this question. How can we solve this question? You know, so this question is IGCSE Year 10 paper, and we can solve this paper very easily. Here is a surface area of the cuboid is 639, and find out the value of h. How can you find that? If you able to find, so what is surface total surface area? TSA. Do you know what is TSA? It's a perimeter of the base into height. It's a so TSA we can write total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH equal to, that is given 369. Okay, so let's put the value in this equation. LB 15 into 6 plus BH 6 into H plus LH 15H equal to 369. Okay, so here we can calculate 96 plus 21 H equal to 369. Okay, and this question we can solve by multiplying. Here it's a 180 plus 42H equal to 369. Now this is transposed, so the value is subtracted. It's 22H equal to 369 minus 180. So how much is the value here? It will be 9, and 16 minus 8 8, and 2 minus 1 1 189 divided by 42 H. So H equal to, it's 189 divided by 42. So this will be the answer. Okay, so how can you divide that? You can divide this number. Okay, now see question number 11. Geeta has a box of toy. She pick toy at random from the box. The probability that she picks a wooden toy is 0.6. And what is the probability that she does not pick a wooden toy? So for that one, that is not case, not wooden. So for that we have to subtract from 1. So it is a 0.6. So it will be 0.4, 0.4. So this will be the answer. And here we don't know the total number of a toy here. So calculate the tables. So first we don't know the wooden one. So it will be how much? So how can you calculate? Therefore probability is also given. So PW equal to, we have it's a 0.6, and we can calculate that W upon W plus 14 plus 14, that is total, equal to 0.6. So it will be calculated equal to 0.6 W plus 28 here, and it's a 0.6 W plus 28 into 6, 48 4 6 168 this. So we can subtract this value. So here is 1 minus 6 it will be. So W minus 0.6 W equal to 168. So it will be 0.4 W equal to 168. If you divide, it will be 168.4. So decimal will be removed here, so it will be 42. Total is W is 42 here. So we can put here 42. The value will be 42. Now, and total number will be is 448 plus 10, and it's a 2. So it's a 70. Total number is 70. So this value is 14 upon 70, and this is also 14 upon 70. So we can get the probability also here. Okay, now see the question that is showing the fifth term in sequence. A is finding the fifth one. How can you find? You have to put the value of n here, that is a 5, n equal to 5. So it's a 60 minus 4 into n is 5. So 60 minus 20, and that is a 40. And in this part, suppose if you are going to find the n square minus 300, so first you need to put the value here, that is a 300, and it is 25 minus 300. So how much? It will be 275 minus 275. That will be the fifth number. Okay. And this question, how can you solve? Find the coordinate of the point where line this crosses the y-axis. This crosses the y-axis. For y-axis, the axis will be what? It will be 0 comma something. 0 on y-axis, any point it will be 0 comma y. Means first x will be 0 here. So we have to put x 0. So 3 into 0 minus 5. So it will be 0 minus 5. So y equal to minus 5 basically. So answer is 0 comma minus 5. Okay, I hope you understood these questions. Now see the question number 14. Write by writing each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value this one. Okay, so first we need to subtract the value. 28.66, 12 minus 6, 6, and it's a 7 minus 5, 2, and it's 2 already, and this will be 4.2 into 1.68. 1 place decimal remove and 2 place decimal remove, then we have to multiply here. So it will be 226 into 100 upon 42 into 168. So if you divide, you can find the value easily. Okay, how can you factorize this number? This is very easy question. You have to factorize which number can divide both number. I think 4 can divide. 4 can divide both numbers, so it will be 4x is common here, so it's 9x minus plus 10. This is the answer. This is the factorization. And question number 16, how can you solve? It's the 7 and this one and this one. Suppose so this is a no. Diagram shows rectangle length is this and breadth is this. Find the expression of perimeter. The answer write in the simplest form. So perimeter equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So we can write like this: length equal to x plus 7 plus 3x minus 12. So this value is how much? X plus 3x, that is 4x, and 7 plus 12 minus 5, and we can multiply 8x minus 10 here. Okay, so I hope you understood these questions. So for 2 is multiply plus this number, and then it will be multiply here. Question number 17, can you see here? It's a very important questions. Diagram shows a circle with center O and P lies on circle. Write down the mathematical name of the line OP. OP is what? It's a radius. Everybody know it's a radius. And draw a tangent at P. So how can you draw? We are drawing a line which passing through just P here. Okay, so APB. So this will be the line. Find the greatest odd number that is a factor of 140 and this one. First we need to find the factor of you have to find the SCF. So 140 how can you write? 10 2 into 5 into 2 into 7. Okay, so this is written 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7, and then 210 we can write. It's a 2 into 5 and 3 into 7. So it is 2 to the power 1 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, so I think it 2 and this what is common, it's a 5 and 7, so 5 and 7, it's a 70. 70 is the greatest number, or greatest odd number, but it is not a greatest number. Which number can it is the greatest one? So we can factorize this number in the form of 70 12 25 60. So I think 5 12 is written 3 into 4, so it will be 15. I think 15 is the greatest number. Okay, and how can we solve this number? 343 343 is the cube root of the 7, so it's written